costume on mine.
Sure, yeah, we'll have to put him in his shoes and stuff. Okay, so now I got to figure out. So now when I flip it open, it automatically starts recording, just like right now. But
all right.
At least now I can point wherever I point, it's going with it. There's the Hall of Presidents. There's the Christmas shop, you guys. Oh, I can get in so much trouble in that store. This is one of the good spots right here to watch the Starlight Parade come at you from down here. That was really cool as heck.
We come back into
Woo. Woo. Van Tassel's Farm and Feed. Ice delivery is rustic drink for rustic folks. Look at the castle. It's so pretty.
Take it out to the side.
Look, it's finished. It's actually one color back to its original state. That is awesome. Look at that. The moat's empty right now. See if we can. A little empty right now. But, I mean, look at the castle. It's gorgeous. It's finally all one color. Yay! But yeah, they do this every year. No biggie. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I guess now the button I set up to take a snapshot turns off the recording, turns it back on. I don't know. I gotta figure out my settings. It's not the way I had them. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Let's see if we can zoom in. We can zoom in. Check it out. Looks great. I zoomed out. Nope, that doesn't take a picture either. Zoom in. Can you see him? But look at the castle. So pretty. All right, you guys. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. That is such a pretty view right there. Look at this. How do I get it to take it? Now I can't get it to do a still shot. My settings are all messed up again. But yeah, all right. Why is it doing that?
so far.
Yeah. Yay! Okay. Oh. Alright. So it's telling me face track is enabled. Now it's following my face instead of my environment that I wanted. You know.
We invite you to enjoy
Okay.
the rest of your magical
We're making our
Friendship
rounds.
Fair day here at the Magic Kingdom.
Now we're just roaming. Alright, so the little guy fell asleep, and we are going to go check out our other popcorn stand. I don't think there's anything but the pass holder buckets right now.
I just saw somebody with a Mr. Curry. What?
I don't know. I was like last year or the year before. So, not here. Castle. Woo! No, right now it's the pass holder one by the artist Kate somebody. There we go. I pointed at the castle and it pointed up to the cloud. Like I said,
try to sneak in front of the castle now and get a head on, or maybe later.
we'll try that later.
There's still pink on the buildings behind it.
Is there? Oh yeah, there is. I was trying to get it to no. Right, it's pointing to the ground now. So
There's a new mural over here on the speedway.
uh-oh. Colton, leave it alone. He made it stop. He made his stop. Empty. It's either painting, resurfacing. No, it's not showing anybody.
No?
No, there it goes. It's either they have to resurface it and paint it before they can refill it.
And put in all the,
Yes.
the new caulking and
They have to replace all of that. So, and it's always pretty when they're done. It's great. It's got to be maintained every year. They do it every year. Okay. So again, we're going to have to learn how to set this stupid thing up. I said stupid. Because it's not set the way I had it. It is just really weird to be here in the daytime. We're usually never in this park in the daytime.
right?
So, all right, teacup straight ahead. Look how far down I have to point it though to go straight ahead. If I point straight ahead, it's pointing up to the sky again. So what am I doing? Something is not right on my settings.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I'm going.
I thought we were going to...